So hi everyone, Sushant here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can transfer event from one account to another account using EventBridge. I have two accounts. One is the QA account and another is the stage account. From QA account, I'm going to push some event to the stage account. So we have a S3 and from the S3, I'm going to push the event into the EventBridge. And from this EventBridge, I'm going to push the event to the custom EventBridge. And from this custom event bridge, I'm going to push the same event into SQS. Now let's begin. So as I mentioned, I have two accounts. One is the QA, another is the stage account. So first, let's create a custom event bridge, which will be a receiver. So I have already opened the stage account. So this is my stage account, which is the region which I selected is Mumbai. And this is my account ID 7306, which is here as well the same 7306. So under the event bridge, I'm going to create a new event bus and I'm going to name it as QA to stage, and let's just create it. Let's copy this event bridge ARN. Now let's switch to the QA account. Now I'm in QA account. Let me show you the account ID. The account ID is 9358. Let me just re-verify 9358, the same. Region I have selected as US East 1. So let's create a new rule. Under the rule, let's call it as sender. I will click on the next. Here I'm going to select as AWS event, and the event pattern, let's select S3 event notification, and from here specific event, create and delete. So whenever in this account, if any object is deleted or created from the S3, we will get a notification. So I will select the next, and here I'm going to select event bus, and here you can see the two options, the target types as event bus from the same account or event bus from a different account. I'm going to select the different account and different region, and here I'm going to paste stage account the custom event bus. This is the custom event bus name, and let's just create it. I will just select the next and let it create. As you can see, the rule is created. Now let me show you one thing which is very important here. Under the target, you can see the ARN of the event bus. Let me click on the role. So here you can see the permission, and under the permission you can see we have given the permission for this role. So whoever accessing this role has the permission to put a message into this event bus, and this role also has the permission to assume a role. With this role, event bus is able to push the event into our custom event bus. So this configuration is done. Now I will switch back into the stage account. Okay, I'm on a stage account now. I'm going to configure the policy here. I will click on the permission, and you can see the resource based policy. Click on the manage permission. Under the manage permission, click on this load template. Let's first delete whatever the stuff which we don't require. Here we are saying that we are allowing to accept the message from QA account. I will click the update. As per the diagram, once I receive the message into the custom event bus, I need to push that message into the SQS. For that, I'm going to create a new rule. This is my queue which is already created. I'm going to configure this queue into the custom event bridge. So let me just give the name as QA to stage rule, and I will click the next. We need to select the option very carefully. There are three options: AWS events or the event bus pattern, then all the events within the same account, and the third is other. That means all the custom events. So here you need to select the custom events or the other option, because you are passing the event from one account to another account. So this is not true for you. This is also not true for you, as this is another account. Here you need to choose the custom events. Under this, I can specify the same pattern which I mentioned in the QA account. Here also we are saying the same. Source is S3 and the event is created or deleted. So let me click the next, and here I'm going to select the service as SQS, and the SQS name is QA to stage. Next and create. So the rule is created. Now let me show you the count. Message available is 0. So let me just refresh it one more time. Now I will go back to the QA account and push a file or delete a file from the S3. So now I am on the QA account. I have did one more configuration in the S3. In order to this bucket send a notification to EventBridge, we need to enable one setting. I have already enabled this setting, that is this EventBridge send a notification to EventBridge for all the events. So now let me go back to this bucket. we already have one file. Let me just delete this file. This file I'm going to delete, permanently delete, and delete the object. So as soon as this operation is successfully completed, now let me go back to our stage queue. Okay, so I am on the stage queue, and here again I'm going to refresh. So here you can see one message is available. We successfully got our message, and when I click on the pool message, it should show me one message, and this is the message which we have received. So here you can see this is the object name, and the reason was deleted object, and here also you can see detail type as deleted, as well as you can also see the account. This is the cross account or the QA account. So we have successfully pushed our message from QA account to the stage account. If you have any question, you can comment below, or you can directly connect with me on LinkedIn. If you wanted to learn, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.